In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change section layout in Wix. If you want to reorganize your page and move sections into a better order, Wix makes that process very simple. This is especially useful if you're updating the flow of your website, improving the way visitors move through your content, or just testing a different layout to see what looks better. The good news is that you can do it directly from the editor in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Wix site in the editor and go to the page where you want to make changes. Once you're on the correct page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the editor. In that area, you'll see the Layers icon. Go ahead and click it. After you click the Layers icon, a panel will open, allowing you to view the structure of your page more clearly. This makes it much easier to identify the different sections on your site and work with them in a more organized way. If your page has multiple sections, this view is especially helpful because you can quickly see how everything is arranged. From here, look to the left side of each section listed in the panel. You'll notice a drag handle icon next to each one. This is what you'll use to change the position of a section. Simply click and hold that drag handle, then drag the section upward or downward to the spot where you want it to appear. As you move it, pay attention to the placement so you can drop it in the exact location that makes the most sense for your page layout. This is a quick way to change the order of your content without having to rebuild anything manually. It can save time and help you experiment with different page structures more easily. Once you release the section in its new position, Wix will update the layout accordingly. That's all you need to do to reposition your sections. If you're adjusting several sections, it can be helpful to move them one at a time and review the page after each change so everything stays clear and organized. This also helps you make sure the final layout feels natural for visitors. And that's it. That's how to change section layout in Wix by using the Layers panel and dragging sections into a new position.